This is a prototype of our new digital pocket table for bars. It has a message that this table is for entertainment only, no cash prices, no gambling, and you must be of age to play. It shows which tournaments are allowed. Here is only one tournament, but you can set up different games and different prices for each game. So I have a tournament here set up for $1, so I'll put $1 into the bill acceptor, and the table acknowledged the payment, and I can here choose the tournament. There's only one. I can choose how many players, for example, 2 players with no robots. You can even play with 1 player and 3 robots or 2 robots if you want to practice by yourself. It's not limited to having a few people to play. There's no cash price at the end, it's just for fun. So I'll press Start Tournament, and the table will actually process the payment and will start the tournament.
Right.
So the tournament has started. It sets the players on seats 2 and 4. It gives a minute to start the tournament, but the players can just double click and say we are ready, we don't want to wait a minute, and the tournament
Texas
starts.
Hold'em, no limit.
The players can actually see the cards by sliding the back of the card. This guy will go all in.
Raise.
This guy will look at his cards and will call. And let's see what happens. So he calls.
Call.
Ace King against Ace Deuce, and the Ace King won. Surprise! So we build the system so a tournament will last about 15 to 20 minutes. We think the price for a tournament should be around $10. And again, it's like a pinball machine. There's no prices, there's no money changing hands, or the bars are not involved. It's just player puts in the amount the bar decided to earn from a tournament, and the game starts. Once the game ends, the table returns to this position where it shows the rules and any other information you want to show. C'est tout.